Hello student, subject General Science, Standard 7th. Today we are going to see the exercise of our chapter number 8, that is static electricity. Question number 1 is here. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Some options are given to you. You have to fill them to blanks. A. There is a dash dash between like charge. It means there is always a repulsion between like charges. B. Dash dash is responsible for the generation of electric charge in an object, a atom. C. A lightning conductor is made up of dash dash strips, that is a copper strip. D. A dash dash does not get electrically charged easily by rubbing, it means plastic. There is a dash dash when the opposite electric charges come near to each other, it means always reflection. Next, a dash dash can be detected when an electroscope, the large object. After that, question 2 is here. Explain why it is not safe to go out with an umbrella when there is a heavy rain, lightning or thunder. Lightning can be attracted towards the tall objects very quickly. Umbrella has a pointed end on upper side which has a metal, and there is a possibility of lightning can be strike it. So that is why don't go out when an umbrella in heavy rain. Question 3 is here. Answer in your own words. A is here. How will you protect yourself from the lightning? Avoid using the plumbing during lightning storms. Avoid standing on surface in which moisture water is present during lightning storms. Avoid large open spaces, as well as do not lie flat on a ground, as it gives the lightning at a large target. Such a things we have to do for protect yourself from the lightning. Question 3b is here. In that question is here, how are charges get generated? How are charges get generated? The charges are not generated, they are always exist in an atoms as positive charge on protons of a nuclei and as a negative charge on the electron around the nuclei. An electric effect can be seen only when the electrons are removed from some of the atoms in one material and get transferred into the atoms in the another material. The electric effect is caused by the attraction between opposite charges and repulsion between the like charges. We all know that there is always attraction, repulsion occurs in the opposite and like charges respectively. After that, question 3c is here. So ask that in the lightning conductor, what provision is made for the spreading in the electricity into the ground? In the lightning conductor, the highly conductive copper and aluminum materials are used which are provide a low resistance path to safety the ground lightnings. The dangerous electricity. It consists of a large long copper strip with a one end of a fork, and this end is thinnest part of the building. The other end of a strip is connected to the place at the plate of a cast iron. We have seen such a earthing wire at our house also at the outside. Such as plate of a cast iron, a pit is dug in the ground, coal and salt are filled into the pit, and the iron plate is placed upright into the pit. There is also provision of pouring water into it. It helps to spread the electric charges equally under the ground into the ground, and it get protected from the damage also. So in such a way that we can say by the lightning conductor safely for spreading the electrically into the ground. Question 3d is here. Why do the farmers stick an iron staff into the ground while working in the field in rainy condition? farmer sticks in the iron staff into the ground while working in the final field rainy condition for the protection against lightning strike. So it can be protected from the continuous lightning in the open ground of a field. Why is lightning is not seen every day during the rainy season? Lightning is seen when the electric charge properties on a large scale. In rainy seasons, on every day, electric charge is not produced on a very large scale. Thus, lightning is not seen every day during the rainy. Though there is a rain in every day, but we are not seeing the lightning on every day because it does happens because of the friction. Question 4 E is here. What are the characteristics of a static electric charge? Due to the friction, charges are formed from short duration. Charges generated electric field which do not change with the time. Charges do not form the magnetic field because electric field protect due to them are constant, and there is also a electric charges. Question 5 is here, the last question. What is the damage causing by the lightning? How will you create the awareness to prevent it? It is the causes of damage of trees, building, etc. It may causes the damage to the electric appliances connected to the building. People who are exposed to the lightning suffer from the various health problem also. What we can aware from such a prevention of damage from the lightning? Don't use the appliances that are plugged into the wall during lightning storms. Stay away from the isolated places such as trees, light poles, etc. Avoid the long metal structure in such a way that we can prevent ourselves by the lightning. So here is the end of the exercise of our chapter number 8.